Alright, continuing with the topic of my favorite smartphone this year, the iPhone mini. In this video we'll take a look at 3 leather cases which I think are the best in class when it comes to leather accessories, suiting everyone who admires this type of product. At the end, I'll let you know which case I lean towards more this year, although all 3 are very well made and, by the way, almost similarly priced. Let's take a look. Hey guys, this is E, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Iskren and most people call me E, and let's begin with Apple's own leather case in the color they call saddle brown. This is a MagSafe case, which means that it has the integrated magnets and it aligns perfectly with the new MagSafe technology. There's 2 things to keep in mind with this case. First, using the MagSafe charger will result in a circle imprint on the back, which is understandable when we talk about leather. Even Apple states that on their own website and have a picture about it, saying that interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints. If you're concerned about this, we suggest you use the iPhone mini silicone or clear case. Second, this case is supposed to showcase an attachment symbol upon installation, showing the circle and the color that it comes with. But interestingly, this does not work on my iPhone Pro Max and the Apple's black case. Although it is still original and it is MagSafe compatible, once I put it on, nothing really happens. But it still works. Not sure if this is a bug or a software issue, but to be honest, it's not something that bothers me at all. Just keep that in mind. As with all previous Apple leather cases, you can expect precision fit and specially tanned and finished leather, feeling soft and unobtrusive to hold. As with all leather products in this video, it develops a natural patina over time, and as soon as you start using the case, you can start seeing imperfections, which makes it personal and unique. For the longest time, I've always had Apple leather cases, and I can vouch for the quality and durability. This case doesn't add bulk to the phone, and with the Mini, that is indeed something to appreciate. Although even if you add the largest of cases on this phone, it will still be the smallest iPhone you can use right now. Apple says that the case quickly snaps into place, and we see that from their commercials, but in reality it is nowhere close as to how you actually perceive the attachment. In the ads, you can almost get the idea that you can drop the phone in the case and it will stay in the means of the magnets on the back, but in reality it installs and removes just as any other case. I thought you should know this. The case costs $59, making it the most expensive in this list. So where the Apple case is protective, it does not even get close to the next case from my close friends from Nomad and their rugged phone mini case. If I were to rank the packages from all 3 cases, by the way, Nomad would grab the prize as the best overall package. I just love the attention to detail, the before and after of the case, and the messaging throughout this box. I've done Nomad cases in details in the past, so in case you're interested and you want to know more about the history of the company, I'll be sure to leave links below the like button to check those episodes out. First, this is Horween Leather, coming to you by the Horween Leather Company of Chicago, one of the America's oldest tanneries. It is very high in quality, and over time this vegetable tanned leather will patina, developing a look that is exclusively yours. Nomad says that from day 1 to 100, your case will weather out but not wear out, creating a handsome, rich character unique to you. The case is extremely well put together, where the buttons are very precise, the inside is soft and protective, and most of all, and this is the second part, the case has a 10-foot drop protection. So from all those cases here today, this rugged Nomad case is the safest case to put your iPhone mini into. It is Qi compatible, but it is not MagSafe equipped, meaning your magnet charger won't snap into place, align, or hold itself attached to it. And this is perhaps the only advantage of the Apple leather case here, because this means that the other accessories like the wallet won't stay in place in this Nomad case. I am pretty certain, however, that Nomad will implement MagSafe in some form or shape in the future, and I can't wait to see what they'll create. If I were to compare the Apple case with the Nomad product, when it comes to buttons, the Apple case is more tactile, but yet again, we're talking about a very impact protective case here with Nomad, and the buttons are nothing to complain about. The price of the Nomad case is $49 and it comes in 3 colors: black, rustic brown like this one, and a lighter one called natural. If you want to combine a case with a sort of a wallet integration this time around, the third case is a great product to pay attention to. It comes from a company called MUJJO, and this is my first time working with their products. I've heard from people that MUJJO offers very high quality leather cases, and fortunately I'm able to confirm that statement with this super slim, fully wrapped leather wallet case. Being a wallet case, it has its pluses and its downsides. Here's what I love about it. The quality of the leather and the execution is top-notch. It smells great and it comes in a well put together package as any high-quality leather product should. The case also has a 1mm bezels rising above the screen for optimal protection while being very slim and nice to hold. It is Qi compatible, but it doesn't allow for the MagSafe magnets to align properly, hence not being able to attach just right. Also, this being a wallet case means that if you want to use the wireless charging capabilities of the Mini, you'd have to remove the cards every time you want to juice up your phone. This case supposedly holds 2 to 3 bank cards, IDs, commuter cards, but if you ask me, 3 is really pushing it. 2 sounds reasonable, but having to remove my cards every time I want to charge wirelessly means that the pouch will loosen up over time, which is something to consider. However, MUJJO also has non-wallet versions of this case coming in tan, black, Monaco blue and green. The buttons are just as tactile and clickable as on the Apple case, and in fact I'd say they are identical. But contrary to the Apple case, the bottom of the phone is not wrapped around in leather just like the Apple cases from the past. This case costs around $53 and you can expect unique character and patina as with the rest of the cases here. Alright, so I use all the cases all the time, and honestly, if I were to pick one of those 3, at the moment, that will be the Apple case, and the only reason for that is the MagSafe integration and the fact that I use the magnets to snap the phone in my car, and hopefully, once the wallet arrives, I can attach that to it as well. If MagSafe was not a deciding factor, however, I'd probably use either the Nomad or the MUJJO, depending on my activities and maybe the way I am dressed. Which one do you like the best? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and you are willing to help the channel, be sure to give it a thumbs up and even share it. More iPhone 12 videos are coming in shortly, as well as tons of other iPhone 12 related content, so you might want to consider subscribing. It's been an absolute pleasure. This is E, over and out.